Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Alina Syahada binti Azlan and I'm from Group 2. So today I want to talk about principle of shipping and transport organization. So the first one is introduction. Shipping organization play a pivotal role in regulating, managing and promoting safety, environmental standards and efficiency within the global maritime industry. This organization often set the benchmark for the industry, ensuring compliance with international standards and fostering collaboration among stakeholders. And second, IMO. What is IMO? IMO, Introduction Maritime Operations. International Maritime Organization is the United Nations specialized agency with responsibility for the safety and security of shipping and the prevention of marine and atmospheric pollution by ships. IMO work supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals. And third, function of International Maritime Organization, IMO. So first, the binding document is introduced by convention that member states ratify in order to comply with them, as well as amendments to those convention and related laws. Second, create and maintain a comprehensive regulatory framework for shipping. And third, maintaining the security and safety of ships. And next, managing shipping and environmental dangers. Managing legal concern involving marine case. And the second last, providing technical assistance. And the last one is to improve shipping overall efficiency. Next, structures of International Maritime Organization, IMO. The IMO governance system includes an assembly that represents the member states, as well as a council that is elected by the members every 2 years. Second, when the assembly is not in session, the council serves as its executive body carrying out all the assembly tasks. And the last one, the council is responsible for appointing our organization's secretary general. Next, IACS, International Association of Classification Societies. The International Association of Classification Societies is a technically based non-governmental organization that currently consists of 12 member marine classification societies. More than 90% of the world cargo carrying ships tonnage is covered by the classification standards set by member societies of IACS. Marine classification is a system for promoting the safety of life, property and the environment, primarily through the establishment and verification of compliance with technical and engineering standards for the design, construction and life cycle maintenance of ships, offshore units and other marine-related facilities. IACS traces its origins to the recommendation of the International Commission on Loads Line in 1930. The Convention recommended collaboration between classification societies to secure as much uniformity as possible in the application of the standards of strength upon which freeboard is based.
Duty and responsibility of members. There are more than 50 organizations worldwide that define their activity as providing marine classification. Those classification societies that meet the condition of membership may apply for membership of IACS. To remain a member, all members are required to demonstrate continued compliance with quality standards as determined by periodic audits conducted by independent accredited certification bodies. To promote maritime safety and clean seas, IACS and its individuals carry out research and development on marine-related topics, providing technical support and verifying compliance with published standards. The classification process begins with the evaluation by the classification society of submit design to determine its compliance with the rules. During construction, classification society surveyor attend the vessel to verify that it is built in conformance with the drawing and to the rules. On delivery, the vessel will receive periodic survey by the society to verify that it is being maintained to the required standard. This survey generally follows a 5-year cycle of annual, intermediate, and the survey and special survey, with the extent of the survey varying depending upon the age of the vessel or offshore unit and the type of survey being conducted. IACS is non-commercial technical collaboration association to establish, review, develop and promote minimum technical requirements in relation to design, construction, maintenance and survey of ship and other marine-related facilities, and to assist international regulatory bodies in the development and interpretation of statutory regulation to help ensure their universal and uniform application with a view to improving safety at sea and marine environmental protection. Although IACS is a non-governmental organization, it also plays a role within the International Maritime Organization (IMO), for which IACS provides technical support and guidance. Develop unified interpretation of the international statutory regulation developed by the member states of the IMO. ECS holds consultative status with the IMO and remains the only non-governmental organization with observer status, which also develops and applies technical rules that are reflective of the aim embodied within IMO Convention. Operates through the following bodies: Council, Chair of Field, Subcommittee, General Policy Group, Equality Committee, Panel of Expert Group, Small Groups, Project Teams, and the Permanent Secretariat, including the Quality System Certification Stream Operation Center. The Council is the governing body of the association, with each member represented on the Council by a senior management executive or Intertanko. Established in 1970, represent independent tanker owners globally. Mission is support global energy network by ensuring safe, efficient, and environmentally sound transport service. Focus area: operational, technical, legal, and commercial issues affecting tanker owners and operators. Member representation: act as the voice of members at national, regional, and international levels. Key partners: collaboration with organizations like Oil Companies International Marine Forum, Chemical Distribution Institute, Society of International Gas Tanker and Terminal Operators, International Association of Class Societies, International Group of P&I Club, US Coast Guard, and European Commission. The benefits of membership is representation at key industry forums by a respected trade association. Second is access to guidance, advice, and best practice tailored to the tanker industry. Networking opportunities with fellow members, associate members, and stakeholders. Influence over strategic industry developments and policy making. Organizational features: member runs organization. Develop policies directly relevant and beneficial to members. NGO status: recognized at major organizations like International Maritime Organization, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, International Oil Pollution Compensation Funds, advocacy. Actively contributes to regulatory and operational discussion at international levels. Industry contribution: disseminates critical information and best practice to members. Actively shape the future of tanker industry through collaborative effort. 5.0 FIATA. FIATA stands for International Federation of Freight Forwarders Association. Is a global organization that represents companies involved in freight forwarding and logistics. Established in 1926, it connects national freight forwarding associations from over 150 countries. FIATA's main roles are advocating for the industry, setting standards for international shipping, offering training and certification, and helping professional networks worldwide. It plays a key role in improving global trade and logistic practice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Bekir Anwar. I will present for the next slide, which is function of FIATA. Standardization. FIATA promotes standardization in freight forwarding practices, document and procedure, streamlining operation, and improving efficiency. Representation. FIATA acts as the voice of the freight forwarding industry, representing the interests of its members at international organizations. Education and training. FIATA provides education and training opportunities for freight forwarders, enhancing their skill and knowledge. Enabling global trade of FIATA. Facilitating trade. FIATA helps streamline international trade by providing guidance and support to freight forwarders. Global networks. FIATA connects freight forwarders from around the world, promoting collaboration and exchange of knowledge. Quality standard. FIATA set high standard for freight forwarding practices, ensuring quality and reliability for clients. Networking and collaboration. FIATA connect logistic professionals globally, fostering knowledge sharing and collaboration to strengthen the supply chain. Next, which is Marine Department. Marine Department is responsible for matters relating to shipping, training, certification and examination of seafarers and safety of navigation in Malaysian waters. Function of MADEP. Enforcing international and local maritime law, monitoring shipping operation to prevent illegal activities such as smuggling or piracy. Managing navigation aids such as lighthouses, buoys and chart. Coordinating search and rescue operation for maritime emergency. And the last one, which is preventing and mitigating marine pollution from ship and offshore activities. Next, career option for maritime graduate. First, which is deck officer. Responsibilities: navigation, safety management, cargo operation. Career paths: third officer, second officer, chief officer, and the last one, which is ship master. Number 2, marine engineer. Responsibilities: maintenance and operation of ship machinery. Career path: fourth engineer, third engineer, second engineer, and the last one, which is chief engineer. Number 3, ship master. Responsibilities: overall command of the vessel, navigation, crew management. Career path: progression from junior officer role to captain. Number 4, port operation manager. Responsibility: overseeing port logistics and cargo handling. Career path: advancement to senior management role in port authorities. Number 5, marine surveyor. Responsibilities: inspecting vessel for safety and compliance. Career path: opportunities in government agency and as independent consultant. Number 6, shipping company operation manager. Responsibilities: managing logistic and fleet operation. Career path: growth into senior management position. Number 7, marine environmental officer. Responsibilities: ensuring compliance with environmental regulation. Career path: role in regulatory bodies and corporate sustainability departments. Number 8, logistic coordinator. Responsibilities: coordinating the movement of goods and supply chains. Career path: progression to logistic management role. Number 9, safety officer. Responsibilities: developing safety policies and conducting risk assessment. Career path: opportunities in shipping company and ports. Number 10, maritime consultant. Responsibilities: providing expert advice on maritime operation. Career path: independent consultancy or working with consulting firm. Number 11, research scientist or marine biologist. Responsibilities: conducting research on marine ecosystem. Career path: position in universities and government institutions. Number 12, training and development officer. Responsibility: developing training program for maritime personnel. Career path: opportunities in maritime academic and training organisation. Number 30, fleet manager. Responsibility: managing a fleet of vessels for efficiency. Career path: advancement to senior management within maritime companies. Number 14, communication officer. Responsibility: managing onboard communication system. Career path: position in maritime company specializing in communication. And the last one, which is number 15, maritime law specialist. Responsibility: advising on legal maritime issue and regulation. Career path: opportunities in law firms and corporate legal departments.
So the conclusion is the organization mentioned IMO, IACS, Interteco, Vieta and MADEP are integral to the functioning and development of the global shipping industry. Each of these entities plays a distinct yet interconnected role, ensuring the safety, efficiency and sustainability of maritime operations. The IMO establishes international regulations and standards. IACS ensures the technical integrity of ships. Interteco advocates for tanker safety. Vieta facilitates logistics and freight forwarding, and MADEP governs local maritime operation in Hong Kong. Together, this organization help create a safe, efficient and environmentally responsible shipping industry, facilitating international trade and promoting cooperation among various stakeholders. So that's all from us from Group 2.